Yo, dressing better is not as complicated as you think. Matter of fact, in my style journey, I've learned a few tricks and hacks that you can implement into your everyday outfits that are gonna instantly make you dress better. Let's hop into this. Number one, always layer. This is probably the easiest hack that you can implement that's gonna increase your outfit. See, it doesn't matter if it's summer or winter, layering just adds depth. It adds different textures. It makes your outfits look more interesting, which is why you look more stylish. Look, even for the summer, check out this fit. So simple. You can layer a tank top underneath and then throw on some light button down. It could be either knitted or linen like you're seeing here. And now you got something super breezy. You're gonna feel refreshed, but that added layer, that added extra step, it's gonna make you more stylish. Number two, get a drop shoulder cut. See, when it comes to your style, you wanna be able to play with different fits and silhouettes. But one goal that almost every guy has is you wanna look bigger, right? You wanna look beefier. Easiest thing you can do, get a drop shoulder style. So this is a drop shoulder tee. It's a little bit oversized. It's from Essentials. It was our latest drop. And what it does is it makes you look wider. It makes you look bigger. Even if you're a dude that doesn't have a big frame, you're able to almost appear to have more mass. That girth, that's what we're looking for. This is why an oversized tee is a staple in every wardrobe. And if you don't got one, bro, go check out our new oversized tees from Essentials. Just look at that fit. They come in 5 different colors, and just look at the little details, like the logo at the bottom. Like, we cut no corners. We made the neck nice and thick so it hugs your neckline. There's a reason why this thing sells like crazy. And if you don't got one for summer, I'm gonna hook it up. Right now, we don't do sales really, but just for the t-shirt, just so you can either re-up or have that right t-shirt for the summer, we're gonna be doing a special 20% off sale. It's only gonna last 24 hours. This is just for you guys, the viewers, honestly. Like, this is not a big sale. This is for the dudes that are watching this that want to level up their style, that wanna add that hack. Bro, whether you already have these, you wanna re-up, if you've already tried them, this is your time to buy 3, 4, 5. And if you haven't, this is your time to buy 1 or 2 to test it out in your style and see just how much better you're gonna feel and how much comfortable you're gonna feel. If you guys wanna check out those t-shirts, there's gonna be a link down below. Use that special code. You're gonna get 20% off just the t-shirts. This is only for 24 hours, so after that, sale's over. Number 3, just wash your clothes less. This one's so simple because all it's doing is increasing the value and the lifespan of your clothing. Too many times you believe that just because you wear a piece, you have to wash it immediately. You don't have to wash your clothing after every single wear. Unless you sweat horribly, it smells bad, or you got it dirty, you can always fold that back or hang it back, because every time you wash your clothing, you destroy the thread count, you also fade the coloring, and ultimately you distress the shape of the garment. If you want to keep that garment intact for as long as possible so you can look as good as possible, cut back on how much you're washing it. 4, keep the shoes clean. Bro, this is the base of your fits. You got clean shoes, you could be wearing the most simple t-shirt and pant combination, easy, light work, but the shoes are always on point, and that's crucial. It's only about 2 or 3 shoes that actually look good with wear and tear, but for the most part, you want to keep those things crispy. And the 2-step process is simple. You want a shoe cleaning kit. You can get that for Amazon for like 20 bucks. And you want shoe trees, wooden shoe trees. After every wear, you should put those shoe trees in. That's gonna stretch out the leather to remove creases of the toe box. And then the second thing you could do is just quickly wipe them down from any dirt that builds up, and your shoes will always look pristine. Wear bigger frames. Right now, thick frames are in, especially that thick acetate. It looks super good on dudes. Right now, we actually dropped a pair. It's called the Toms for Jade Black. Those sold out really fast. I think we only have like 5 or 6 left in inventory. But those, probably one of my favorite designs because of just how thick they are on the face. It makes your face look bulkier, beefier, and more importantly, it hides bigger portions of your face to be able to hide any asymmetries and make you look better. Boys, I need you to start stacking chains. See, again, all these hacks, they don't require you to redo your wardrobe. It's really just how you're implementing it. And when it comes to your style, using jewelry is the best way to level it up without actually having to spend crazy amounts. Yo, you grab 2 chains and you know how to stack them properly. Maybe get different designs or different lengths. That's more than enough to stand apart from the crowd, draw attention to an area that has a lot of sexual tension in the neck area, especially if you're exposing the chest. And that extra little detail, I promise you, will level up your fits. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, right now, if you want one of our oversized tees from Essentials, 20% off, 24-hour sale. This isn't going to last, bro. If I were you, I'd click that link. I'm out.